Tata Motors is shaking up the automotive world again with the launch of its newest SUV, the Tata CURVV 2025. This vehicle not only offers a futuristic design but also advanced technology and is ready to answer the needs of modern drivers. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Tata CURVV one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year. Stunning exterior design. The 2025 Tata CURVV comes with a truly stunning exterior design. With bold and aerodynamic lines, this SUV displays a strong futuristic impression. The front of the vehicle is equipped with a large grille and sleek LED headlights, creating an aggressive yet elegant appearance. The seamlessly integrated taillight design adds to the overall aesthetics of the vehicle. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the Tata CURVV 2025 is equipped with a high-powered electric engine that produces around 300 horsepower. This electric motorbike provides smooth and responsive acceleration, making the driving experience more enjoyable. Apart from that, the Tata CURVV also offers an impressive driving range, up to 400 kilometers on a single full charge. Advanced technology and security. The Tata CURVV 2025 is equipped with various advanced technologies that ensure driver comfort and safety. Advanced safety systems such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking come as standard. The 360-degree camera and parking sensors help the driver in maneuvering and parking easily. Tata CURVV 2025 is an SUV that combines futuristic design, advanced technology and outstanding performance. With various superior features and high efficiency, this vehicle is ready to meet the needs of modern drivers who seek comfort, safety and reliability. Are you ready to experience the future of driving? Tata CURVV 2025 is the answer.